Welcome to your simple morning stretch to help you feel amazing. If you've woken up feeling stiff and a little sluggish, this 10-minute yoga practice will help you gently wake up your body and start your day with ease and energy. We're going to move through a simple sequence to help you open up your shoulders, your hips, and get that spine moving. So let's head to the yoga mat. Finding ourselves in a comfortable seated position, so Sukhasana, so one leg in front of the other. If this pose is too much for you this early in the morning, you can always have your legs straight out in front of you. But let's find Sukhasana if you can, melting those shoulders, relaxing the face, closing the eyes if that feels good. Let's take a nice deep inhale together and a big sigh out through the mouth. And again, a nice deep inhale through the nose and a big cleansing sigh out through the mouth, creating a lovely long tall spine. Relaxing the shoulders and the face. And I'd like you to gently open your eyes. We're going to clasp our hands, creating a little basket. We're going to inhale up to our heart. Then you're going to exhale, curl the spine. Then you're going to inhale, stretching all the way up. And then a nice big exhale out as you take up space. Let's do that again. Nice big inhale, clasping the hands, take them up to the heart. Exhale out, curling the spine. Inhale up and exhale, expanding, taking up space. A nice big stretch. Again, inhale up to the heart. Exhale, curling that spine, pushing back into the pelvis. Nice big inhale to stretch. And exhale, expanding and opening out. Lovely. Just stretching here. Nice big inhale. We're going to exhale into a side stretch over to the right side. And a nice big inhale up. And exhale, side stretch over. Inhale up. We're now going to twist to the left hand side, taking the left hand to the right knee. Twisting to the right. And then a nice big inhale out and then twisting to the left. A gentle twist, remembering it's the morning, so we don't want to be too crazy. Inhale, lengthening out. We're now going to bow over that right knee, head over to the right knee, exhaling. And then inhale, lengthen, take up space, and exhale and bow over the left knee. And then up, we're going to do that again. Nice big inhale. We're going to swoop the hand over into a side stretch. And up we come, inhale and exhale, side stretch and inhale up and exhale, twist to the right and inhale, lengthen and exhale, twist to the left and inhale. We're going to bow over that right knee, exhale over and inhale up. And exhale over and inhale up. Lovely, well done. We're going to change the legs. So you're going to put your legs out in front of you. I'm just going to turn on my mat so you can see my legs. Give those legs a rumble. Then flex the feet, nice straight legs. And then you're just going to bow over the legs with your upper body. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the face. Saying good morning to our hamstrings. And gently coming up. Well done. Let's head on to all fours. We're going to bring our big toes together. We're going to walk our knees out as far as we can, and we're heading back into a balasana. So bringing that forehead all the way down to the mat. Let's take a couple of breaths here, and I want you to send your energy down into the earth. Making yourself nice and heavy, really letting go. Breathing in and out through the nose. And gently coming all the way up into our tabletop. We're just going to take our right leg forward into Anjaneyasana. So a nice deep stretch in that left hip, breathing here. You're going to squeeze your inner thighs together and you're going to see if you can take those hands up, off, into the air. Breathing and relaxing the shoulders and tilting that pelvis forward to get a nice deep stretch. Good. And then let's take those arms all the way down. You're going to take that right leg back to join the left. And then you're going to slowly lower your body all the way down to your mat. Forehead to your mat. Good. Have a little wiggle of the hips. Once you're here, really letting go of any tension in that bottom. And then we're just going to come up into a nice little sphinx pose, waking the back up for the day. So your elbows are under your shoulders and you've got your big giant paws in front of you pushing down into the earth. Breathing here, waking up that back. Couple of breaths. Good. And then gently coming all the way down and pushing all the way back. We're just going to let the bottom come back to the heels. Just for a second, just to release that lower spine. And then we're going to inhale, coming back up into tabletop, bringing that left leg silently all the way forward. Breathing here, we're in Anjaneyasana. If you need to use props, if you'd like to have blocks here to keep that chest nice and high, you can use blocks or books. And then you're going to squeeze those inner thighs and you're going to peel those hands up and off into the air, tilting into that pelvis. If you're feeling extra flexible this morning, you can maybe sink into that front knee a little. But really trying to find ease in that upper body. Getting a nice stretch in those hips. Good. Nice exhale to bring the hands all the way down. You're bringing that left foot back to meet the right leg and slowly lowering your body all the way down to the mat. We're going to take a nice inhale up into Sphinx pose, elbows under the shoulders. Again, those hands are pushing down into the floor. Relaxed bottoms, relaxed necks. Breathing here. If you want a little extra stretch across that chest and in your spine, you can just drag your hands back just 1 centimetre as if they're trying to get back to your elbows, and you're going to feel that chest expand. Good. Remembering to breathe. And then slowly coming all the way down. Pushing back and up and finding that balasana, knocking the toes together, nice wide knees, forehead to the mat, and breathing in and out through the nose. Good. And then let's gently come back up into our tabletop. Let's find a downward dog. So you're going to walk those hands slightly away from your shoulders. You're going to tuck your toes under. You're going to push your pelvis back and up on the diagonal, finding your downward dog. So you're creating 2 diagonal lines, one with your body, one with your legs. Your heels may be off. My heels are definitely off. But your shoulders and neck are nice and relaxed, and you're pushing down into those middle fingers, really connecting your hands to the floor. And we're just going to pedal. So you're going to push into the ball of your right foot and down into the left heel. And then you're slowly going to transition. Just pedaling, really spreading those toes on the mat so you're waking up your feet for the day. And your calf muscles are getting a lovely stretch as well. Breathing as you slowly, mindfully pedal your feet. Good. And then find that downward dog nice and equal on both sides of the body. You're just going to slowly walk your feet towards your hands. Again, nice and slowly. Moving slowly is a practice. We're always in a rush. But We try not to be on the yoga mat. Good. Have those feet just hip distance apart and just hang over your legs. Really give that head a little wobble so you're relaxing the shoulders and the neck. Breathing here, you might have a nice deep bend in the knees. That's good, whatever you need to do this morning. Then you're going to bend those knees, nice soft bend on the knees. Bringing your hands to your waist, sticking that bottom out as much as you can. And you're going to flat back up with a nice big inhale. All the way up, pushing down into those feet. Lovely. And then just come to the center of your mat, feet hip distance apart. We're just going to find Tadasana, mountain pose, nice wide chest. Our Sankalpa for the rest of our day is, I am rooted in strength and open to ease. Our Sankalpa is our resolve to do, our intention for our day. Bring your hands into prayer pose and just say it silently to yourself. I am rooted in strength and open to ease. Gently open your eyes. Well done for taking this time for yourself. Namaste. Thank you for practicing gentle wake-up yoga with me. If you'd like to practice with me live, join me for my Thursday virtual yoga. It's a live evening class that you can do from anywhere in the world. The information is in the description below. Thank you for being here. Sending love and kindness.